In this virtual reality demonstration, we created a visualization tool for the company Flooring Xtra here in Australia. And Flooring Xtra sells lots of different kinds of flooring, but it's very difficult to see what it looks like in different situations when you're just at the showroom. So the idea was to do a VR situation where you could select the room you want to be in and then really get to encounter the floorings. Let's have a look at the kitchen scene. So here we are in a fairly glamorous looking kitchen. And as you can see, the flooring in this side is made of timber. In this particular demo, you can move around freely. You can pick up the table, so to speak, and move things around if you'd like to rearrange things. But the main thing that you can do is you can get a sense of what it might be like to change the flooring, which in this case is some white tiling. Let's move one of these chairs out of the way. And what you can see here is that by interacting with this wall menu system, we can go between the different kinds of flooring. White tile, grey tile, and this wacky looking blue texture. So it gives you a clear idea. You can imagine what it would be like if there were way more options up here, an entire catalogue for a company such as Flooring Xtra or someone else in this space. Let's pop back to our menu system and then see if we can select the living room scene. And here the same sorts of things happen. You can certainly get a sense of moving around. Here we've located ourselves in Warners Bay, which is where I happen to live. And you can interact again with the environment. You can pick things up, move them around, and so on. But over here on the wall, we have our flooring changer. So would you like to see what this space feels like with a different kind of floor? No problem at all. Let's have a look at a grey floor instantaneously. Let's have a look at a different kind of timber. So by changing the kind of floor, you get a sense of what you're going to buy when you're in store that is dramatically more immersive and intuitive than just looking at a little fabric swatch or carpet swatch or rug swatch when you're in store. And that's what this demo is all about.